Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. I am Tata Punch. Price starting at 5.80 lakhs. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ra amangi hakir dob yeng jongpi.
Of applause to the Assam Rifle.
Director General ka Assam Rifles, Colonel B. Vijay Kumar, hagasngi palay ka khatsaw tarik unaitung arajar arfuar, ula play pait ba ya ga jaka kai basketball, bat ya ga jaka tiet Batminton hagasnong Nongkrem, East Kasayos District. Yagini ki artli ki jaka kai sports, labai pisahi da ka office jong Director General Assam Rifles, kum shibenta ban kentiu ya ki kami kai sports, hagani kasnong kabahaba po kahima khairin. Hagani kasngi la sakilang daw Major Roshan Lal kuntup ru yaw President jong Nongkrem Youth Development Association uba wan lang melim ngam bad kipait ba nong shnong jong shnong Nongkrem.
Understand why it is light core, why can't it be Nongkrem? But definitely I will try my best to change the name to Nongkrem. But I don't know the formalities, let me study the case first. One more thing, during this financial year, one more project has been sanctioned to the village, that is open air gym. So the chairman, it is for about 4 lakh rupees. So what I request the chairman to identify a suitable location where it can be established and what all items the villagers required to establish the open air gym. It is for about 4 lakh rupees. That we will be doing in the current financial year. Once we complete that project, then we can take on the next project of solar lights, additional solar lights, like the chairman has requested. And I am promising that Assam Rifle all will be here to support you people. It shall be a pleasure for us to help you. Thank you.
Well, that's